Hi, this is Stuart Inkster from the Edinburgh Stonemasons. I'm here with David Swicello, stonemason, and I'm going to ask him a few questions on the new Bosch grinder. First question I'm going to ask is, what do you think of the weight of the grinder compared to the other grinders we use at our stone yard?
The weight's good, Stuart. It's not as heavy as some grinders.
What about the power?
The power's good. Not too powerful.
What about the comfortability in your hand? Because obviously you'll be using this for probably about 6 hours a day most days. So obviously it's got to be comfy compared to using the other grinders.
Well, handle's pretty good. The new button design's good. The protection switch, I like that. I like the way it clips in.
Do you feel that's much better than the normal standard?
Safer, it's safer, I should say.
And obviously the final and last question, would you buy it?
Yes, I would.